What's up guys, Jeffong here and welcome to another video. So for today's vlog, I'm gonna unbox something from Nike, but first I wanted to show you guys where we are staying today. We are staying at the Cabin Resorts. It's a premium cabin resort located at San Miguel, Bulacan, and you can follow their Instagram at the Cabin Resorts PH. And yon, they are using solar power, so 40% solar power, and they're very eco-friendly. Then one cabin like this, I'm gonna show you clips later. It costs around 12,000 to 12,500 per night, and it's good for 6 persons now, so super suited. And they have amenities like the infinity pool, kayaking, archery, bike, darts, and they have ATV I think, and you can request for bonfire. I'm just gonna show a quick snippet or quick montage of what we saw at the Cabin Resorts. What's up guys, so we just got here sa may Bulacan and we're gonna check in sa may Cabin Resort. You can check them out at Instagram sa Cabin Resort PH. Yan, yung reception. Then they have activities, meron silang bike, ATVs, and I've heard meron silang mga archery. We're gonna try it later. May kayaking, tas meron silang pool here. So let's check out the room first. That's it. Check out the Cabin Resorts PH on Instagram, and yeah, book your stay here. So let's head on over to the main thing, which is the unboxing of the new shoes from Nike. So let's see what it is. So from the box we can tell that it's a Nike Air Force 1. So, ayan, ito yung top part niya. May Nike logo and silver print. On the left side is the size and the details. So, it's the Air Force 1 High 07 Level 8 1. So, I got it in size 10. Actually, pwede akong 9.5 or 10 sa Air Force 1. So, let's see what's inside. So, inside is a parang hindi siya normal tissue paper. Parang it kind of feels premium. Meron siyang parang mga star na print here. Then onto the shoes. Yun. As you can see, wait, I'll just show it to you guys. So as you can see, it's a Air Force 1 pero it's a high cut Air Force 1. So it's pretty unique and pretty cool. So let's start with the shoes. So as you can see, it's the Air Force 1 silhouette. Actually, dalawa lang yung favorite. I mean, maganda lahat ng silhouette na Nike, pero dalawa lang yung pinaka-favorite ko silhouette. The Air Force 1 and the Air Jordan 1, which is what I'm collecting right now. So here, you can see ito yung shoes. So the silhouette is Air Force 1, and this is, I think, in the Lakers colorway because ayan, may NBA logo dito, and I've done some research and dalawa ata yung ni-release nila nito, LA Lakers and LA Clippers, which is blue tapos red ata yung swoosh. So let's start with the front panel right here. So for the front panel, it's made out of leather. Actually, the 50% or 80% of the shoes is made out of leather. So yung front niya is syempre yung iconic toe box ng Air Force 1 na may perforation here. Then on the lateral part, ito yung medyo nagpa-unique shoes is yung swoosh niya na parang naka-divide sa color na to, which is yellow, tapos ito violet, which signifies yung Lakers colorway. So ayan, as you can see, ayan, medyo nagre-reflect siya because this material, the violet part is made out of satin. Yun. So it's high cut, so it's medyo unique. So yun, we're done with the lateral part. Now at the back part, we can see a Nike Air logo here. So may parang medyo premium yung ano niya, yung premium yung feel niya kasi it's leather. Tapos meron parang tape na naka-stitch here na what's this? Na NBA logo and Nike. Tapos yun, yung medyo kakaiba sa kanya, yun nga. High cut siya, then satin. Tapos itong part na to, parang super unique na. It gives the vibe na parang pang basketball or pang sports talaga. Pero it's actually a lifestyle shoes. Yan. So, the shoelace is the common shoelace, which is yung flat type lang. Then sa dulo, at the tip of the shoelace, I don't know if you can see it, and at the tip of the shoelace merong swoosh. Then at the tongue part, which is violet, which is also violet, and meron yung NBA na logo, Nike NBA logo sportswear na same sa back part. Now, for the insole naman niya, the insole is color violet with a Nike Air logo. Then, yung sole niya, syempre, it's the iconic, the sole is the iconic sole of most of the Air Force 1 or all of the Air Force 1. So, it's a pretty unique shoe, but the challenge here is, for me kasi, I'm not a fan of yung mga high cut na shoes because malapad yung legs ko and medyo nahihirapan ako mag-style, pero let's see kung paano ako siya style. So here's an on-feet preview and style guide for you guys. For the first look, let's create a more me look, yung style ko talaga. So, as you can see, medyo iconic talaga yung shoes na to. I mean, mapapatingin ka eh. I mean, kahit malayo dahil dun sa satin material and dun sa yellow and violet na color combination niya. So, how I would style this is siguro, I would style it with a black long sleeve sweatshirt from Scoop, then pair it with a wide pants from Levi's, then top it off with a beige bucket hat from the 100s, which I got from the 9s. So here's the look. the second style that I will be doing for this is inspired by the NBA players or NBA athletes out there, because I've been browsing sa mga Pinterest, sa Instagram, and napansin ko ang ganda ng mga style, very street, very urban, yung mga style ng mga NBA players. So I would style this with so medyo experimental tayo dito sa style na to. I would style this with a cargo camouflage pants, then top it off with a Thrasher gray jacket, which I got from the 9s as well. So here's the look. So for the third look, let's create a more chill, a more everyday look, a more go-to look for you guys. So at first pa lang, when Nike sent me this, nakita ko agad, oh, Lakers yung colorway niya, and nakita ko NBA agad. So unang pumasok isip ko agad, basketball shorts. How I would style this with basketball shorts? Siguro lalagyan ko lang siya ng oversized white top from the 100s, which I got from the 9s. So check out the 9s PH. They are located at Uptown Mall, BGC. Tas yun, I'm gonna wear a Noah beanie, cause alam niyo naman, mahilig ako sa beanie and mahilig ako sa headwear. And yun, and a high socks lang from Nike to complete the look. So here's the look. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing video of the shoes, and please don't forget to leave your comments on the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts about these shoes, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamJeffOng, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.